Now let's wrap this up. Normalization techniques after looking at the advantages or disadvantages of the normalization. Data normalization in data science can have a number of advantages and disadvantages. Let's begin with advantages. So, improved performance of machine learning algorithms. Normalization can help to improve the performance of machine learning algorithms by scaling the input features to a common scale. So, this can help to reduce the impact of outliers and improve the accuracy of the model. And better handling of outliers. Normalization can help to reduce the impact of outliers by scaling the data to a common scale, so which can make the outliers less influential. And the third one, improved interpretability of results. Normalization can make it easier to interpret the results of a machine learning model as the inputs will be on a common scale. And the fourth, better organization. Normalization can help to improve the generalization of a model by reducing the impact of outliers and by making the model less sensitive to the scale of inputs. And these are the advantages of normalization. Now let's look into the pain points. So, disadvantages, loss of information. The first one, normalization can result in a loss of information. Exactly, absolutely correct. So, normalization can result in a loss of information if the original scale of the input features is important. And impact on outliers. Normalization can make it harder to detect outliers as they will be scaled along with the rest of the data. That's the main pain point of using normalization. So, then impact on interpretability. Normalization can make it harder to interpret the results of a machine learning model as the inputs will be on a common scale, which may not align with the original scale of the data. And additional computational costs. Normalization can add additional computational costs to the data mining process or pre-processing process of data science modeling, as it requires additional processing time to scale the data. So, in conclusion, the data normalization can have both advantages and disadvantages. It can improve the performance of machine learning algorithms and make it easier to interpret the results. However, it can also result in a loss of information and make it harder to detect outliers. It's important to weigh the pros and cons of data normalization and carefully assess the risks and benefits before implementing it on your data.